Infrared flat roof inspections. Insulated low-slope roofing systems are found on the majority of commercial, industrial, and office buildings throughout Canada. Unfortunately, flat roofs are prone to leaks, and this is the primary complaint with this type of roofing system. Undetected and/or unrepaired leaks can lead to costly structural or other damage and can also result in a catastrophic failure such as a roof collapse. Additionally, low-slope roofs are very costly to replace. Infrared thermal imaging can be used to detect subsurface moisture in most flat roof systems. Like many infrared inspection applications, this type of infrared inspection must be performed with proper conditions present and at specific times of day in order to be successful. Infrared flat roof inspections should be performed at regular intervals with the frequency depending on the age of the roof. This allows problem areas to be located and repaired before they develop into a large-scale problem. By conducting infrared flat roof inspections for preventive maintenance purposes, repairs can be focused on problem areas rather than having to replace the entire roof, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars, even on a small building. Along with many other applications, infrared inspection of insulated flat roofs is a topic covered in the Infraspection Institute Level 1 Certified Infrared Thermographer course. This course and the certification exam can be completed online and at your own pace via distance learning. A relevant non-certification course titled Infrared Thermography for Building Envelopes and Roofs is also available. To register for either of these courses, visit Insight Infrared Training at www.infraredtraining.ca.